In the next time try this segment tonight, I want to talk to you about your wire loom on your bike and how sometimes it can become unsightly, or if you're going to buy a bike, there's something you should consider when you look at it. Many times you'll see wires taped up like you see it here in the picture. Now, tape might be a good temporary fix, but it's not a great way to keep out moisture and water from getting down into your ignition and wreaking havoc with that a little bit later on. If you're either restoring a bike or rebuilding a bike, what you might want to do is use the correct PVC wire loom. Other guys have used methods like this where they use shrink wrap to put wires together and then they just tape over that as well. But the best thing you want to get is buy yourself some wire loom just like this, okay? It is made of PVC and it comes in different diameters. You could order it, it either comes in inches or it comes in millimeters, be it 8, 10, 12, depending on how many wires you have in your bike. You can buy this, and a lot of people miss it because they don't realize it's called PVC. It's called PVC, and you could put it on over your wires, your 3 or 4 wires that you have on your bike, put it down into your ignition area with a nice rubber grommet that looks just like that, and you'll have a nice, neat, stock-looking finished piece. This way your bike is really well protected, and it's going to look great doing it. I want to thank Sal Scarpa for suggesting that we bring that bit of information to you on the show.